I felt for you.
Hello everybody, how are you all? Hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are here for the first time, I am Purba. Welcome to my channel. Today I came up with a brand new video for you all. Before moving on to the main video, I would like to say a word to those who are new to my channel, who have not yet subscribed to my channel. I would humbly request you to please subscribe to my channel. So for today, I have created this Halo eye look using Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. So without further ado, let's begin. I have drawn my eyebrows off camera, and for that I have used Makeup Revolution Duo Brow Definer in the shade Medium Brown. I'm starting off priming my eyes with Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige all over my crease, and I'm setting it with a loose powder from Makeup Revolution in the shade Banana.
When there's no hope loving for you.
For today's look, I'm gonna use Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I'm gonna start with the lightest color called Certified. I'm gonna use it on my brow bone, kind of highlight and make it easier for the other shades to blend in seamlessly. Now I'm going in with this yellow shade called No Joke. I'm gonna blend this all over my crease, going back and forth with a non-brand fluffy blending brush, and this is just to warm up the crease. I'm gonna play with a lot of color today because I'm going to create a smoky halo eye, and in order to create a nice smoky eye, you really need to use different colors to build up the darkness. That's why you have to use light colors first and then intensify with darker shades, and repeat this by going darker and darker. So this is like the first layer of the smoky halo eye crease. Now I'm taking the shade My Man. I'm gonna do the exact same thing as I did with the previous shade. I'm just gonna blend this all over my crease, trying to blend a little bit lower so that you can still see the yellow color just applied earlier. And I am using the shade My Man with Morphe JS8 brush. For the next shade, I'm going in with Living My Best. Now I'm taking Morphe JS9 brush because I really wanna focus like straight on my upper lid, inner corner and outer corner. I want this red to really pop in. That's why I'm going a few times back with my brush into the eyeshadow so that it looks as red as possible. Now for the next color, I'm gonna use the shade Crazy using Morphe JS12 brush. I'm gonna blend this shade in the inner part of my lid and on the outer V area, as I want to create a halo Cutcrease eye look. That's why I have to darken up the edges of the eye. Now I'm gonna cut my crease using the same concealer. I'm applying the concealer on the upper lash line of my eyes. Then I'm looking up so that a new crease line can be created, and I can understand where to cut the crease properly so that my halo eye look doesn't go under my hooded eyes. And now I'm just filling in the gaps.
Around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you.
Now, without setting the eyelid with any kind of loose powder, I'm going to pack the shade Thalia with a flat shader brush from 2Color. This will make the shade to stick onto the lid, but before that, I have made wet my brush with Makeup Revolution Pro Fix All Control Fixing Spray. Now I'm gonna take the shade My Man. I'm going to apply this shade at the outer edges of the both sides where I just applied the shade Thalia. Now I'm going back with the Morphe JS12 brush. I'm taking the shade Living My Best and blending it around the edges as well. Finally, I'm using the shade called Crazy and I'm blending this on my inner corner and outer V area to darken up the edges. It's time to apply some eyeliner. For eyeliner, today I'm using MUA Intense Color Eyeliner in the shade Snow White.
For losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to.
Using a flat definer brush from Jeff, I'm using the shade Crazy under my lower lash line.
We simply let be. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again.
Using an angled definer brush from Jeff, I'm using the shade Living My Best to pack the shade under the shade Crazy and blend them together.
You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you.
Now I'm using the shade My Man to blend out the shade Living My Best. Finally, I'm using the shade No Joke to blend out the edges. Before applying some mascara, I am curling my eyelashes. To finish off the eye look, I'm using some mascara. For mascara today, I'm using Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara.
Nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust.
So yeah, that's the finished eye look. I hope you guys have really enjoyed watching the video. If you enjoyed, then please give me a thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my YouTube channel, and please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon beside that. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye guys.
Next to you make me feel so crazy. My heart breaks for you. Can't help but